We built this hoop house out of cattle panel back in 2007. These are pictures of 2009 with my grandchildren. We had this hoop house for quite a while before the winter 2020 took it down. These grandkids are now 16, 18, and 19 years old. That was my 19-year-old right there. So we grew a lot of produce out of this little hoop house. And you can see they had fun. You can see the size of the lettuce and how much we brought out of it. We even had an opportunity to send pictures to a magazine, Mother's Earth News, and they published it. And then the disaster hit in 2020. The snow took down the hoop house. But we decided we'd go bigger. We'd go better. We'd go stronger. Now that I have a sawmill, and we had the tractor, we built this to stay up. We expanded it. We made it 3 times bigger than the hoop house. We have made the soil better than what was in the hoop house. And we are now growing out of this greenhouse. We planted this year in February, and we hope to have a great crop. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us build things like this greenhouse. Watch us do the gardening and just watch a family and their land.